What's up, everybody? My name is Bradley James, aka Just Bam. That's my music name, artist name, stage name, whatever you want to call it. But that's who I am. I've been playing drums for about, I'll say, a little over 20 years. Probably started touching the drums at the age of 2. I've been playing professionally for about 20 years now. I play for a lot of different people, local artists, different things, venues and stuff like that. Mainly an independent artist, but I do play with my band. Me and my wife have Converse Music. Check us out. Sticks I play with the 7AR. I definitely picked those because I love the reach. Hate grabbing the back of my sticks, but those I have not grabbed the back yet. Definitely have a great weight to them, great feel. The wood that they made these with is incredible. I play not super hard, but I do play hard at times, and my sticks have not broken yet. I've had them for about a month and a half now, and I'm still on my first 2 pair. I would say that's some things that I definitely love about them. They're a great stick, great company. They definitely check up on you. It's just great company to be with. I'm proud to be and happy to be with the Collision family. So without further ado, I'll be playing, in my song that I'm doing a cover to is Black Eyed Peas, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yo, you know what I'm saying? I know you're hearing it. Don't be scared. It ain't 5-0.